Step into the elegant world of 19th-century portraiture with Alexandre Cabanel's portrait of Miss Matthews. Painted in 1880, this captivating work offers a glimpse into the life of a young woman and the artistic sensibilities of the time. Cabanel's masterful brushstrokes bring Miss Matthews to life, capturing her delicate features and elegant demeanor. Her expression hints at a story waiting to be told. As a leading academic painter, Cabanel's portraits were often idealized, reflecting the beauty standards of the era. Miss Matthews is a prime example of this style, showcasing the artist's technical skill and his ability to capture the essence of his subjects. This painting is more than just a beautiful image. It's a historical document. It offers us a window into the past, allowing us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of human portraiture. So the next time you admire a portrait, remember the stories hidden within each brushstroke.